Oh no, someone's parked next to me and I can't get out. I mean, no one has parked next to me, but just imagine that they have. So you get your Tesla app, scroll down to the summon button, and it will connect to vehicle. And all you do is you press the forward button, and assuming that it's going to work, the car will pull itself forward away from your really tightly inappropriate parked cars, and then it allows you to get inside it and then drive it away now without having to faff about squeezing in your fat ass with your tight cars.